Hello and welcome to How to Play Connect 4, presented by GatherTogetherGames.com. This video will cover all aspects for how to play the pen and paper game Connect 4. The game is played with 2 players. The game is set up by drawing a grid that is 7 squares wide and 6 squares high. The object of the game is to mark 4 boxes in a line either horizontally, vertically, or diagonally. Players will take turns marking boxes with a chosen symbol, initial, or color. This game will use different colors. Red goes first. When marking a box, the lowest open box in a column can be taken. Once red marks a box, play moves to navy. Players will continue to take turns marking boxes with the goal of marking 4 boxes in a line. The first player to have 4 connected boxes in a line with their mark wins the game. Red is able to connect 4 here to win the game. If no player is able to connect 4 when the spaces are filled, the game ends in a tie. That wraps up How to Play Connect 4. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and get more game tutorials by subscribing to our channel, Gather Together Games. Thanks for watching.